Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to take a look at these gorgeous hot summer 2022 haircut ideas. So first up, we have this stunning angled bob haircut. This is from one of my favorite stylists. This is of the blonde variety. She does a gorgeous angled bob with this particular haircut. The client's hair is very thick, absolutely stunning shape. Love the thickness, the bounce, the volume. Absolutely gorgeous bob. And then next up we have a bob haircut worn with bangs. So she does have kind of like blunt bangs with this and more of the classic bob haircut, giving us those nice Cleopatra vibes. I am still going to be doing a full-on bang video, so be on the lookout for that if you are just wondering some of the different ways we're wearing bangs this season. Love the end results with this one. This is an absolutely gorgeous shape. Love the slight wave that she has as well. And then moving into the next haircut, this one is going to feature a classic pixie. So the client starts off with very, very long wavy hair, and the stylist cuts it down into a pixie cut. So her hair is about shoulder length right now, but as you can see, he's still cutting. And then you can see that pixie cut starting to take shape. And there are the final results. Absolutely gorgeous pixie. Then we have more of a mini bob with this gorgeous blonde bob, as well as a stunning neck length bob, shoulder length bob that she does have that is blonde as well. She does have gorgeous highlights, including the money piece highlight trend in the front. And then we move on to the silver bob haircut. So with this one, the color actually looks like a gorgeous platinum silvery shade. So the stylist is shampooing the hair, coloring the hair, and then cutting the hair. This is a very gorgeous color, very on trend for 2022. And that bob haircut is very chic. Love the way that it looks against the black turtleneck as well. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these haircuts with me. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, and I will see you in the next one.